In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to start a corporate collections company from scratch. This is a high-margin, low-overhead business you can run from anywhere. The B2B debt market is massive, worth trillions globally. Every day, companies fail to pay each other on time, creating a constant demand for professional recovery services. We are focusing on B2B collections. It is a more professional, less regulated, and significantly more profitable sector than the highly sensitive consumer debt market. No prior experience required, no license needed in most states, and the best part? You can have this fully operational in under 7 days if you follow this blueprint. But before we dive into step 1, there is a specific strategy you need to know to ensure you land your first client fast. Stay until the end. I am covering the exact outreach script that lands your first client. You won't want to miss this secret weapon. Step 1. Form your LLC. This separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. A critical first step for any collections firm. File online at your state Secretary of State website. In Florida, that is sunbiz.org. It is simple, fast, and relatively inexpensive to get started. The filing fee is roughly $125, and it typically processes in 1 to 3 business days. Don't wait. Get this done today to make it official. Pro tip: choose a name that sounds professional and established, like Strategic Asset Recovery. Avoid anything that sounds aggressive or threatening. Next, apply for your EIN, your Employer Identification Number. Think of it as a social security number for your business entity. Apply for free at irs.gov. It takes less than 10 minutes and you get the number instantly. Never pay a third party to do this simple step for you. Once you have your LLC and EIN, open a dedicated business bank account with Mercury Bank. They are free, 100% online, and built for founders. The #1 rule is never mix personal and business funds. Keep everything clean for accounting and legal protection from your very first dollar. Step 2. Understand your licensing. This is where most people get intimidated, but it is actually simpler than you think for B2B. In most states, no license is required for commercial B2B collections. You are not dealing with individual consumers, so the regulations are much lighter. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA, generally does not apply to business-to-business debt. This reduces your compliance burden significantly. However, always do your homework. Check acainternational.org to see the specific requirements for your state. Some states, like Florida, have specific exemptions. I also recommend consulting a local business attorney to confirm your state's laws. It is a small investment for peace of mind as you scale. Step 3. Set up your finances and accounting systems. You need to be organized to scale this business to 6 or 7 figures. Wave Accounting is a great free option. It connects to your business bank account and tracks your income and expenses automatically from day 1. Here is the most important financial rule. Set aside 28% of every commission for taxes the very day it arrives in your account. Don't touch that money. It belongs to the government. If you stay disciplined now, tax season will be a breeze as your business grows and matures. Step 4. Build your contract templates. You are a professional, and professionals always use clear, written agreements. You need 4 core documents. First, the contingency fee agreement. This defines exactly how much you get paid when you successfully collect. Second, the demand letter. This is what you send to the debtor. Third, a client intake form to gather all the necessary debt details. And fourth, a settlement agreement for when the debtor agrees to pay a portion of the debt. Having these ready makes you look established. Never work an account without a signed contingency fee agreement. No exceptions. This protects your time and ensures you get your commission. Step 5. Find your first client. This is the stage where most people get stuck, but the answer is usually right in front of you. Start with your existing network. Think of every business owner you know, friends, family, former employers. They likely have unpaid invoices. Tell them, I help businesses recover unpaid B2B invoices on contingency. You pay nothing unless I collect. It is a completely zero-risk offer. Your first client is almost always someone you already know. Leverage those existing relationships to get your first win and build momentum. Beyond your contacts, LinkedIn is a goldmine. Search for accounts receivable managers, or CFOs, in small to mid-sized companies in your niche. Step 6. Work your first accounts. Once you have a client, speed and consistency are your greatest allies in debt recovery. Send your demand letter the same day you receive a signed agreement. Send it via certified mail and email simultaneously to show you mean business. Follow up by phone on day 10. Be professional but firm. If there is no response, follow up with a polite email on day 20. Persistence pays. On day 30, send a second, firmer demand letter. Most accounts resolve on the third or fourth contact. Don't give up too early in the process. Step 7. Build systems to scale. To go from 1 client to 100, you need a system that ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Set up a CRM. Even a simple Google Sheet will work at first to track every account, every contact, and every next follow-up date for each debtor. The next follow-up date is the most important field in your entire system. If it is in the system, it gets done. If it isn't, money is being left on the table, period. One common pitfall is giving up after the first letter. Success in this business comes from a consistent, professional follow-up cadence. Stick to the schedule. Another mistake is lack of organization. If you forget to call a debtor when you said you would, you lose credibility. Your system is your reputation. Now, as promised, here is the exact outreach script you can use to land your first client. This script has been tested and refined for B2B. Hi name. I recently started a specialized firm helping businesses recover unpaid B2B invoices. I noticed we have some mutual connections in the industry. We work strictly on a contingency basis, so you pay nothing unless we successfully collect the funds. Do you have any outstanding invoices we can help with? Success in this business isn't about being aggressive. It's about being professional, persistent, and organized. If you can do that, the sky is the limit. I put all 7 steps, along with this script and the core contract templates you need, into a free checklist. Link in the description below. Subscribe for weekly content on building your collections business. I'm here to help you succeed. Let's get to work and land that first client.